Hey friends, are you waiting for the perfect time to speak English fluently? Then stop waiting for the perfect time. The perfect time is now. 2026 is the year to start speaking English fluently. Then start speaking English from today. Hello everybody, welcome back again my channel English with Vedya. I hope you people doing well, fit and fine and great and learning this language in a great way. So friends, let's start this video without any further delay, and if you are new on the channel then click the bell icon set all and subscribe my channel for follow me for getting more like this video. And if you are want to grow with me, then you regularly watch my in 2026 why English is matters. Okay, then I will definitely explain it. So friends, in 2026 English is not just a language, it is a skill of success, because in today's the world is changing ever, because new technologies, jobs, careers, and also skill, everything depend on one skill, that if you can speak, if you can well communicate, then you can did it well. Okay, so this matters of speaking and communication. That's why the communication is best and it is very important for everyone, so we should learn this communication skills. So in 2026 we will start speaking English from today. Okay, then I will say you, then I will also repeat that how you can start speaking English, how you can consistently practice every day, how you can every day try, how much time did you spend to speak English, and where to start. So wait, I will tell you everything. Okay, so first thing that how you can start English speaking practice, how you can learn this new skill of communication, because communication is very important. Okay, let's jump to know how we can practice speaking English, how we can start speaking English every day. So first thing, if you want to learn English, then first thing, the first thing is listening. Every day try to listen at least in a 5 minute to 10 minute, whatever you watch. Okay, like you watch English videos, you watch English movies, English songs you listen, okay, in a caption. Okay, so this makes your thinking process, your mind in English, in your environment is created. Okay, so make a environment to learn English. So then the second thing is every day you learn and then translate it, and every day when you consistently regularly listen, then you have an idea, and you can in your mind lot of words, okay, and sentences you can speak at least something. Okay, then the second thing you did by speaking, start speaking and introduce yourself every day. Okay, every day you should try to introduce yourself in a simple way, in a simple sentences, like every day in our beginning time we school, like my name is Shravan Bedya, I'm like this, whatever you can speak start. Okay, so this is a communication skill. Every day when you speak, this makes your confidence built. Okay, then the Third thing is very important, shadowing practice, and so many practices you can practice by using internet. Okay, and also learn from internet and watching my videos every day. So this makes your communication skills in 2026 well. Okay, so then you can definitely speak English fluently in 2026. So thank you for watching this video. Until then, if you like this video, like, subscribe and share, and don't forget to click the bell icon set all. Bye bye.